Today, now I am going to discuss very important topic. Mahesh, moving coil galvanometer. Moving coil galvanometer. Here, in the moving coil galvanometer, what is the use of MCG, Mahesh? Here, galvanometer. It is an instrument to measure the current. Once again, I repeat. What is the usage of galvanometer? To measure the current. In this instrument, current measure up to 10 power minus 9 amperes. Once again I repeat now. MCG, moving coil galvanometer. It is an instrument to measure the current up to 10 power minus 9 amperes. 10 power minus 9 ampere. Simply 10 power minus 9 means very low currents also measure. Every instrument have some principle is including. What is the principle of this instrument? Simply current carrying coil. Once again I repeat, current carrying coil placed in magnetic field. Current carrying coil placed in a magnetic field, then torque acts. Okay, Nana Kailash Patel, yesterday I discussed current carrying coil placed in magnetic field, it will be torque act. This is the principle. 8 marks in the final exam. Construction. Look here. Here a rectangular coil, name P, Q, R, S. Rectangular coil P, Q, R, S. Okay, rectangular coil P, Q, R, S. Okay, Nana? రైజ్ చేస్తాలే వాయిస్ ఒకసారి సాయి మాలిక్ నీ దగ్గర నెట్ చెక్ చేసుకో. ఓకేనా? లుక్ హియర్. రెక్టాంగులర్ కాయిల్ PQRS carrying a current I. Carrying a current nana I nana. Carrying a current I. This coil suspended by using phosphor branch wire and placed in magnetic field. Once again I repeat, let us consider rectangular coil PQRS carrying a current I. This is suspended. ఫుల్ వాల్యూమ్ ఉంది నా నీ దగ్గర, ఒకసారి వాల్యూమ్ చెక్ చేసుకో. ఆల్రెడీ అంజీసార్ కూడా వెంటనే కూర్చున్నాడు. ఓకేనా? PQRS is connected to the phosphor branch wire placed in uniform magnetic field. Yesterday I discussed current carrying wire placed in uniform magnetic field. What happens to the coil? Turn. What happens to the coil? Turn. Its meaning is this turning is called torque. Here coil deflect. That's why this is the deflective torque. Deflective torque. Torque formula yesterday I discussed. Here plane of the coil and magnetic field both are parallel in the situation. What is the formula for torque? Yesterday I discussed BIAN. Once again I repeat. Here coil place. This is the coil. Dasher is the coil. Sai Malik. Here field. Both are parallel. What is the torque formula? BIAN. ఇప్పుడు ఈ కాయిల్ దేంతో సస్పెండ్ అయింది? వైర్. కాయిల్ రొటేట్, వైర్ ఆల్సో వాట్ హ్యాపెన్స్? సాయి మాలిక్ ట్విస్ట్. ఎప్పుడైతే వైర్ ట్విస్ట్ అయిందో, వైర్ ట్విస్ట్ అవుతుంటే కాయిల్ రొటేట్ అవుతుందా? అవ్వదు. మోర్ ట్విస్ట్ అయినప్పుడు మోర్ ట్విస్ట్ చేసి వైర్ని ఇట్లా వదిలేస్తే ఏమైంది? మళ్ళీ ఎగైన్ ఏమైంది? ఇదిగో ఒక వైర్ని ఇక్కడ ఫిక్స్ చేసి వైర్ ఇలా ట్విస్ట్ చేసి వదిలేసామనుకో, వాట్ హ్యాపెన్స్? రీస్టోర్. అంటే బికాస్ ఆఫ్ వైర్. బికాస్ ఆఫ్ వైర్ ఆన్ ద కాయిల్ which will be act torque. Once again I repeat, because of wire on the coil which will be act torque, that is called restoring torque. Here restoring torque mainly depends upon the twisting of the wire. More twisting, more restore. Simply tau directly proportional to theta. Here proportional can be removed to write constant. Here look here, proportional can be removed to write constant denoted by C. Here theta. Equation number 2. Here C is called proportionality constant. Other name couple by twist. Look here, Nana. Look here. Current carrying wire placed in uniform magnetic field. Here in the situation coil what happens? Rotate. Yesterday I discussed plane of the coil, magnetic field both are parallel. Torque formula is BIAN. Here the coil is connected to wire. Because of wire, restoring torque acting. Restoring torque formula C theta. Here C is called proportionality constant. Its other name couple by twist. Nana, generally I take equilibrium condition. Look here, Nana. I take equilibrium condition. Equilibrium condition means Nana, forcible balance. Here torque balance. One is deflecting torque, other one is restoring torque. deflecting torque formula is BIAN. Restoring torque formula is C theta. In the situation, what is the formula for I Bangaru Kondalu? C by B A N into theta. Here BAN, other side, it becomes the denominator. This is the formula for current. Why here current formula, right? The instrument name is moving coil galvanometer. What is the use of galvanometer? To measure the current. I indicate current. Whose current is to be measured? That current passing through terminals. Look the diagram. Okay, now look the diagram. I, whose current is passing, that current is to be from terminals. C is called proportionality constant, other name coupled by waste. B indicate magnetic field induction. A indicate area of the rectangular coil. N indicate number of turns in the rectangular coil. A indicate area. N indicate number of turns in the rectangular coil. Theta indicate deflection. Okay? Nana, all will be the data to determine current. What is the formula for current in the MCC? C by BAN into theta. I discussed some memories, Nana, in the question. Look here. What is the use of phosphor branch wire? Look here. What is the importance of phosphor branch wire? General wire తీసుకోవచ్చుగా, ఎందుకు phosphor branch wire తీసుకుంటున్నారు సార్ అంటే, phosphor branch wire have high young modulus, low rigidity modulus. Once again I repeat. What is the use of phosphor branch wire? It have high young modulus and low rigidity modulus. Young modulus formula is FL by AE. In the situation, young modulus is more, automatically expansion of the wire is less. In the situation here, the coil position does not change. Young modulus, phosphor branch wire have high young modulus. Simply expansion is less. Simply initial position of the coil is here. After current passing, the position of the coil is here. Because phosphor branch wire have high young modulus, does not expand. Next, rigidity modulus is low. In the situation, rigidity modulus formula is F by A theta. Rigidity modulus low, that means theta is more. Simply the coil easily rotate. Okay, what is the use of phosphor branch wire? It have, what's the book? You writing a high young modulus and low rigidity modulus. ఇంకేముంటుంది థియరీయే కావాల్సింది, ఏం అవసరం లేదు, నాకు తెలుసు కదా క్లాస్ చెప్పాలి. హై యంగ్ మాడ్యులస్ అండ్ లో రిజిడిటీ మాడ్యులస్. ఓకేనా? హై యంగ్ మాడ్యులస్ మీన్స్ its expansion is less. Low rigidity modulus means it have not twist. It easily twist because eta less, theta is more. Simply the coil easily rotate. This is the speciality of phosphor branch wire. And the next topic is, here we use curved shape magnet. We use curved shape magnets. Okay, Nana? Here, what is the use of curved shape magnets? It gives the strong field. Once again, I repeat. It gives the strong field. Magnetic lines moves north pole to south pole. In our language, north pole is called Abai, south pole is called Amai. Gal, boy, gal. All the lines away towards the Amai. Simply, this is the magnetic line. It gives a more magnetic concentration on the particular point. Simply, more magnetic field act on the coil. This field is called radial field. In our language, radial field means very strongest field. Radial field means very strongest field. Radius field means very strongest field. Because of curved shaped magnet gives strongest field, Nana. Gives strongest field. Next, Nana. Look here. Curved shaped magnets gives very strongest magnetic field. And here, this is the magnetic lines. This is the plane of the coil. In the situation, both are parallel to each other. This is the very useful of curved shaped magnet. It gives the radial field. Radial field is nothing but the strongest field. This is nothing but the particular concentration on the coil. It gives very large magnetic field act on the coil. So that's why this instrument to measure very small currents also measured. What is the MCC current formula? I equal to C by BAN into theta. Okay, next one.